Hello guys, for today's video guys, may nakita ako guys, ibon guys, na natin guys. Tatong ibon guys, meron sa guys, sa guys, sa sala guys, natin guys. Malapit na tayo guys sa ibon guys. Ano guys? Yan guys oh. Yan. Yan guys. Yan guys oh. Yan. Yan guys oh. Yan guys. Yan guys. Yan guys. Yan guys. Yan ang ibon guys. Yan guys oh. Yan. Ano yung sala guys. Yan guys. Pumato guys no. Pumato guys.